Hello, in this video I will show you how to make handouts with gaps using just online tools as well as putting your face within the video as you can see me here. So first you will need to get OBS Studio. Also you need XSplitVcam, this app right here. That is to make like the black background or the background that will look like whatever you decide to put on your bag and you can only see your face. Lastly, you'll have Air Server. Air Server is going to help you to connect an iPad Pro. You can see on the top corner there. That will help you to write and prepare your notes, your lectures, as well as an Apple Pencil, right? And the app of my preference is called Notability. You can see it up there. Notability is the one app I use to take my notes. I prepare my handouts with gaps. And now I will share my screen and you should be able to see a video on how to combine all of these elements. Okay, first thing we need to do is open OBS. You can see it here. And then you can see my camera right here. So for that you need to open XSplitVcam. So when you get there, you notice that you have the background of wherever you are. So what you need to do is click remove, and that should remove your background from the application, and you should see empty squares. Now you go back to OBS and you can see a blank background. The next thing we need to do is setting it up in OBS. So for this, I'm going to clear all my sources. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to add is going to be my camera. You go to the plus sign here, click on video capture device, hit OK, and next you should click on the virtual XSplitVcam, which shouldn't have a background already as we set it up before. And here it goes. Okay, so once you connect your camera, you should be able to expand or collapse the screen, as well as being able to connect to your tablet, which I will do to Air Server. Make sure you get Air Server, and with this scan code you can connect to your computer. Next will be to get Notability app in your iPad. Once you connect it to your iPad, it should be simple to put it on the screen like this. So with that, we should be able to include a new window. So if you click here, select window capture, and make sure that you click on the proper Air Server window. So like this, make sure it's clicked by the time you do this. So let me try again. We're going to try window capture. Okay, and there it is. That should give you your Air Server window. So once you have your Air Server window, make sure that your camera moves to the front. So move to the top, and there you go. You are now able to see your camera as well as your full screen, and you can see your face within the video that you will start recording soon. Interestingly, you can also write down here, for example, you can have a test. Notice that I'm not recording with OBS. That's why you see a delay in this video. So once you have it, I'll show you to do next to finally complete it. Okay, so we are in OBS Studio now. You can see here I have my window capture and my video capture, so you can still see me and speaking at the same time, as well as you can see how I can move my handout with gap. You can start writing on the screen and it should connect well. Also, you can use your laser pointer if you have the Notability app, if you want to highlight the specific locations of the video. Of course, you can also point out to putting your self within the video and make a connection like this and having your face on it. Thanks for watching.